guys, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. So today is just going to be a relaxed day. I spent all day yesterday in the garden planting a whole bunch of stuff. So here is everything that I'm planting. So I'm kind of sore right now. My traps and my traps and my low back kind of hurt a little bit. So today's just going to be kind of just a relaxing day. It is raining outside, so that's a good thing too. More lazy, if it makes any sense. I did record a video yesterday, but I really wasn't happy with it because I was talking in the video and spent half the video kind of looking around, you know, kind of thing. And I really wasn't happy about that. I need to really work on that. So I'm sorry if I'm looking off in the distance or anything. I'm trying to focus on the camera instead of looking at everything else. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat today, and I'm going to be like cleaning the house up a little bit today and just doing some odds and ends things. But it's going to be a pretty relaxed day. So anyway, I'm getting ready to start on breakfast right now, which is really good because I actually woke up hungry, which is kind of rare for me most times. I usually take about an hour for my body to wake up enough to say, hey, I'm hungry. So, but waking up hungry is always a good thing. So it's about 9 o'clock right now. I am going to be starting on breakfast, and I'll see you guys there. So for breakfast, I'm having some Raisin Bran, a big bowl with some almond milk. So here is lunch for today. Having some bean burritos, which is some regular flour tortillas, some beans, rice, cilantro, black olives, and some peach salsa. So here is supper for today. It is potato gnocchi with mushrooms and Aldi's pasta sauce, which is actually oil-free, which is awesome. Camera's kind of fogging up a little bit. There you go. So, like I said, this is a pound of gnocchi, and I'm looking forward to this because I haven't had gnocchi in a while. So, here's supper. I'll see you guys later. So good. So I've gotten comments in the past that there's no way that I eat this much food. Yes, I do. I eat a lot of food. Probably more than the average woman. I love eating carbs. So what I was thinking about, guys, is so I was thinking about actually doing, next time I do a What I Eat in the Day, which should be next week. I usually post them about every Wednesday, usually, most of the time. So I was thinking about actually doing a time lapse of me eating every meal of the day. So just to kind of show you that, yes, I do eat all the food. So if you like that idea, please hit the like button. And yep. So if you like that idea, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. So right now I'm going to finish eating my big plate of gnocchi and probably watching a couple YouTube videos and waiting for my husband to get home. He's running really late right now. We usually eat supper together. But it happens, he just started a new job and he worked 14 hours today, so yeah. Anyway, a little off topic. I'm going to be eating this, and then I'm not sure what else I'll be eating tonight if I do. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. So there you go, guys. I forgot to record. I didn't record anything else. I didn't eat anything else after that. It's the next day, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and share and everything else like that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Bye.